Letterman was leaving, and and there was this vacancy, and no one knew what to do. And Lorne Michaels was given the task of picking somebody, and he looked around, and he didn't see it, and then he said, there's this guy. He used to work for me at Saturday Night Live, Conan O'Brien, and they said, Conan O'Brien, the writer? And he said, yeah, that's him. He doesn't have the performing chops right now, but I think he could do it. I just think, I have this feeling he could do it. And so they gave me an audition, which went really well, mainly because I thought I had no shot. And that's not a joke. I really thought, I'm not getting this, so I might as well go and just screw around. And I went, and the audition went really well. I remembered after the audition having this creepy feeling, I think that went really well. But they're still not going to give it to me. And then I was at The Simpsons when 2 weeks later, I got a phone call. And it was my agent. I had just finished we were about to record an episode of The Simpsons, and I picked up the phone, and my agent said, you got 12:30, and you got to be at NBC in Burbank in like 15 minutes. And I put the phone down, and I started walking, and all the writers said, what happened? And I didn't say anything, and I just walked out, started walking to my car, and then ran, got in my car, drove to Burbank, and I was scared out of my mind, because it's true. Sometimes the scariest thing that can happen to you is to get exactly what you want.